Hey, good day everyone. Check out this expansion screw set that I have here. And each expansion screw comes with its own drywall screw for each one. And I'm gonna go ahead and hang up a shelf using these. I was really happy with these. They're really nice and they slip into the drywall really well. Well, it comes with 400 total pieces here too, and it comes in a tackle box to keep it all together. And here's a close look at them. A couple different sizes there. The anchors themselves and the drywall screws as well. Well, here's a look at the screw anchored in the anchor itself. Here's a look at the driver into the screw, into the anchor. All right, got the drywall here and I made my marks on the wall where I want my holes. I'm hanging this shelf, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with the smaller size one of these. Put it right on the dot there, right on the center. What I did here now is just push it in with my fingers and then gave it a tap with the hammer here. Nice and flush, just some light taps. And we're doing a couple more here. I do like these ones. They fit right in there. They just slide right in there. No problem into that drywall. Really easy. I like these better than the ones that thread in. And these things are not going anywhere. So I was able to successfully put up this shelf with these things. So very happy with that. Thanks for watching, everybody.